As you know by now, we are in the Maldives. We are so excited, and we got yesterday our snorkeling mask and tube, and we went underwater and we saw beautiful things. And we will also go today in the hope to see the turtles. So I don't have a GoPro, so I will try with my iPhone. Forgive the quality, but let's see what we can capture. Can't wait to show you. Hopefully tomorrow or the day after. Let's see if we will see them. But we saw a lot of cool things. We saw a manta again and a baby shark. Look at this gorgeous place. This is where we went snorkeling. I think Rabi is still there somewhere. He's still having a little bit of fun before we go have breakfast, have a break, and then snorkel again in a different part. just a quick tip. If you visit the Maldives, you know that you have to know that there will be a lot of type of sharks around. Do not be scared, although I'm someone who is usually scared, but I did try to almost swim next to them, so I was like at least in the water while they were passing. And the Maldives, they really care about them, so if you ever visit, make sure to give them their space. If they are swimming in pack, it's because they are baby sharks and they want to training to hunt, so just leave them be, and they are shy and super friendly. Goodbye room. Ciao Maldives! Guys, Habibis, I hope you enjoyed this travel with us. We hope that you saw a little bit under the sea, and next time we will bring our GoPro with us. Don't forget, when you visit the Maldives, respect the sea, respect the creatures, bring your GoPro, and have the time of